These sugar cookies are so quick to make, and they're truly delicious. You only need 7 ingredients. Start by adding soft butter to a bowl. Next, add white sugar and mix together until incorporated. We're using beaters, but you can also do all the mixing for these cookies with a whisk or spatula. Now add an egg, vanilla extract, and beat again. If you can avoid it, don't buy those sugar cookie decorating kits. Our recipe is easy to make, tastes amazing, and you can avoid the harmful ingredients in the kits. Add all-purpose flour, salt, and baking powder, and mix again until combined. With your hands, press all the dough together to form a ball. Press into a disc and wrap it up. You need to chill the dough in the fridge for at least an hour. You can leave it for up to a week if you like, or you can also freeze it before using. You can either decorate these cookies or eat them plain. They're really good either way. After you remove the dough from the fridge, divide it in 2. We do this because the dough needs to be cool when we work with it. It's easier to work with only half at a time, as otherwise it becomes too warm to work with. Sprinkle some flour on the counter and spread it around. Don't forget to put the other half in the fridge. Sprinkle a little flour on top of the dough and on your rolling pin. Roll, pressing lightly, and spread out the dough just a little. Then flip and do the other side. Keep adding flour to the dough so it doesn't stick to the counter. If you see any cracks, just fix them by pressing the dough back together. Roll the dough until it's about 1/8 of an inch thick. Guillermo is feeling if the thickness is the same all over the dough. Don't ask me how he knows. It's magic, I guess. Space the cookie cutters very close together to minimize how much dough is left over. Press hard on the cutter. Give it a little wiggle. Add flour each time to prevent sticking. Fill the surface of the dough with cutouts, then gently remove the dough around the shapes. Guillermo is using a small spatula here, but you can also just use a knife. Keep the scraps of dough for your next round of cookies. Place the cutouts on a cookie sheet lined with parchment paper. They only need a little space between each other. Bake the cookies for 10 to 12 minutes or until lightly golden at the bottom and the sides. While the cookies are baking, press your scraps together and make another disc to refrigerate. You only need to refrigerate this dough while the other cookies are baking. If you like this video, please help us by liking and sharing it. Thank you! Look at those lovely cookies. They're going to be so delicious and lots of fun to decorate. Transfer the cookies to a wire rack to cool. Now for the next round. Take out a disc of dough and get rolling. We were able to make 60 cookies with the dough from this recipe. Of course, how many you end up with depends on the size of your cookies. Enjoy your delectable Christmas sugar cookies. If you enjoyed our sugar cookie video, we think you'll find these helpful too.